Tonight I'm making an exhaust port through my door for my diesel heater. It's a 3 3/4 inch hole in the door, which this port is 3 inches deep. That's going to go through the door. There's another bushing that goes on this side of it and sandwiches it onto the door, and this goes onto here and it swivels so you can put the exhaust hose in and out. But I've taken and cut that out, 3 holes on there, line up with 3 holes on here. This is going to bolt on to that flapper. It'll go into the exhaust port, and this screw holds that on after I unscrew it off the board. I screwed it on the board so I could cut it through it with the hole saw without jumping all around. And this will be on the come from the outside and screwed through the door, and that other one will actually kind of be sealed up after it's all tightened up with that screw when it's on the outside, and the exhaust port screwed onto the flapper.